908, that's the perimeter. On the east side, I'm the calm storm. Guess I'm something like a limiter. Yeah, I'm something like a limiter. She too much, I got a limiter. While me and bro in the back, yeah, sipping goose, no Canada. Sipping goose, no Canada. Sipping goose, no Canada. I'm the truth, let me show the proof. Looking super clean, no janitor. Super clean, no.
What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Stevie D with GSG Reviews, and I'm back again with another banger. And now that we are on track to hitting, you know what I'm saying, that 2,000, that 3,000 subscribers, and I'm monetized now, I'm gonna revamp my channel to just be more consistent and more organized. First, let me shout out my alpha generalettes, alpha male and alpha females in the building. You heard what I got here for y'all today is a banger to me personally, because I'm a fan of this new item from Drip Talk. Yeah, I said it, Drip Talk. You feel me? Like, comment, subscribe, promote if you can. Giveaways will be that we announced will be going out soon. I've confirmed everybody. All is well. So without further slowing down whatever I'm trying to say, you feel me? Let's get to the video. What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Stevie D with GSG Reviews, and I'm back again with another banger. Like I said in the intro, this is a watch by Drip Talk Jewelry. Like I said in the intro, so let's not do too much talking. Let's get into it. Boom! Like I said, this is Generation 7, man, and this one is a banger, man. Y'all probably already seen it from Complex 916. Shout out to him, man. Shout out to Complex, man. You doing your thing, and I gotta say, I'm a little jealous. You got to it before I do. It's you know what I'm saying? But nevertheless, man, you did your thing on it. He repped the team. He repped the squad very well. It was a dope review. So if you haven't checked it out, go check it out, man. He did the squad really well. You know what I'm saying? But let's get into it. You see this nice wrapping, custom plastic wrapping with that golden Drip Talk logo. You feel me? I'm feeling this. This is really dope, man. But let's just put that to the side. 2 seconds. You know what I'm saying? This is how the box comes in, with a nice sleeve cover. You know what I mean? Let's get this out the way. Oh yeah, and who else? I think Cubanos also did a review on this, so go check them out, man, if you want to see this watch more than once. You feel me? Look at the box, man. He's been stepping up his box game, man. Drip time. Look at that, man. He's just getting better and better, and I think he's only been out for a year, maybe a little less, man. He's already improving on his boxes, man. Improving on his watches, man. You cannot be mad at this man right here, man. He's stepping up his game with his company. This is a nice leathery fill case with the embroidered, well, not embroidered, but whatever you call it, man. The logo's already enmeshed in the case itself, man, and it's gold and shining like ever before. Drip time with the watch dial as a logo on top of the box. You cannot be mad at it. It does not feel cheap at all. You feel me? This is something you might want to keep when you buy watches from him, man. Keep the watch cases because they are presented beautiful. So let's get to the product at hand. Bow! This right here is the Drip Time Generation 7. As y'all already know, it comes with this nice rubber band. DripTalkJewelry.com. Drip Talk 23 is his YouTube channel. You know what I mean? For all the drip soldiers to rep the set. And I gotta shout out my man for giving me a green band, because he already knows that's my favorite color, and you already know what the other stuff is. We don't gotta mention it. You feel me? YouTube, Drip Talk 23, and the company Drip Talk Jewelry. You put that on your wrist, put that in your hair, whatever to rep the set for you drip soldiers or soldierettes out there. You feel me? Good looking Drip Talk. I appreciate that. Before we get to the watch, it comes with a nice free, or included in the price, as I like to say, link remover. You can't knock them for that. That's always a good touch. Look at this box, man. Sorry, let's put that to the side. You feel me? Sorry for being a little sloppy, man. Even on the inside, man, let's smell this thing. I'm not gonna lie, bro. This thing, the box alone, before we get to the watch, man, feels like premium, bro. This does not feel cheap, man. I don't know, man. It smells like money to me. He's stepping up his game, man. He's doing his thing. This box is premium, man. I enjoy seeing that he's enhancing his boxes, and you cannot knock him for that. Bam. So let's just put that to the side 2 seconds. And bam, let's get back to the piece at hand. Even the pillows even stepped up, man. He got cream pillows, man. Feel like a real pillow you could sleep on. Maybe you got a pet hamster, pet, I don't know, man. Any kind of pet that could fit their little itty bitty head on this. Could use it as a real pillow. And I mean that by no disrespect. I'm saying that it's a real dope little pillow. I'm dead serious. You feel me? But anyway, let's take it out the pillow. You know what I mean? Look at this, man. Bam. I'm not going to say what I want to say just because I'm not here to include anybody else's company or ventures in somebody else's video. But this is quite reminiscent of another watch because it feels just like it and looks just like it. But there are various differences, man. Although it might look like some of these watches that's already out here, and we'll just say for argument's sake, it's representative like a Rolex. Look at this thing, man. Look at it, man. Oh yeah, the glass is not cracked. Yeah, that's just the plastic, by the way. Since we right on camera, I'm not going to waste time ripping the plastic completely off because that will take some time. Oh, I didn't even see that. Look at that. Nice touch in the back to let you know it is water resistant. And with this generation watch he got his own logo on it, Drip Time. And if y'all notice in the face, he has the Drip Talk logo. I don't know if y'all know about this, man, if y'all understand it, that when you're starting your company from the ground up, to have your logo on some of your pieces or all of your pieces means something to the owner. So this just lets you know his game is all the way up and he is getting to where he needs to be. But if you look, it got 3 dials for the day and the date and things of that nature, man. Yeah, man, this watch is amazing. It feels like quality. I'm not going to lie. It feels like quality. It does not feel like a cheap watch at all. As you can see, it's an iced out bezel with the nice... Look at those stones. Those things shine. They don't even look like CZs. Let's mess around and see if they moisten that. I mean, I know the site don't say it. If it was, it would say it. But these stones are hitting, boy. I'm not going to lie. Got a nice blue face to it. That's why I picked this one. That's why I said I was a little jealous about Complex, man. He picked the exact one. This might be a crowd favorite because I think also when Cuba did it, he also got the same one. This must be a crowd favorite, so y'all better go get them because to what rumor has it, these things are selling and selling fast, especially the ones with the blue face. But he also has it in gold tone and blue face and red face, I believe. I don't want to give anybody wrong information, but he does have them. Other than the silver one, he has it in gold with different color faces as well. So y'all might want to hurry up and go get it before they sell out. I'm surprised I was able to get it before they sold out because, like I said, rumor has it these things are selling like hot cakes. If you feel me, you heard. Let's look around the band. This is how it opens up. You know what I mean? Just like that. Like that. Let's close it up. This thing, it's got a nice weight. Does not feel cheap. Like I said before, it got 3 dials with the logo. Ooh, it even got stones in the face. You see those stones in the face, bruh? Look at that, man. Look at that. You cannot knock this thing, man. It's nice weight to it. Water resistant. You know what I'm saying? I like it, man. It's dope. You know what I'm saying? So, I know what y'all want to know, man. Hey, yo, Stevie D, man. How much is that thing? That thing look crazy. Especially with that blue face. Yeah, it is crazy, man. And I gotta tell y'all, that's the most exciting part about this watch, man. There's plenty of companies with these same kind of watches. And I don't want to say he's the lowest, but as it stands, it seems to appear that he might be one of the lowest as far as price. That's probably why they're selling out, because not only are they hot, it's very, very, very affordable. You know what I'm saying? You can't knock him for this. He's just doing what he got to do as a businessman. This watch right here is a whopping $200. Yeah, I said it. $200. You know what I mean? I was excited to see it myself. I would have probably told him, I don't know, raise it up a little more. But guess what? That's what he chose. That's what he wanted to do. And I can't knock it, man. You know what I'm saying? Because it's dope. And for $200, you are, and the way the box looks and it coming with a link remover, man, I'm not going to hold you, bruh. You're getting yourself a bargain. You're getting yourself a deal. You feel me? I'm not going to lie to you. This watch feels very expensive. I'm not gassing you either. You know what the other reviewers said when they held it. This thing does not feel cheap, bro. I'm not even capping, bro. This thing feels expensive, it looks expensive, and it feels very heavy. I think you would feel confident wearing it on your wrist. You know what I mean? You heard. Now I know what the haters are gonna say. Hey, yo, Stevie D, man, those ain't even real diamonds, G's. So why are you showing them? Alright, so let's get to it. Like I always used to say in my early videos, man, for those diamond connoisseurs or real gold connoisseurs or real watch connoisseurs, I gotta let y'all know, reps nowadays, replica watches and reps in general, whether you got moissanite or CZs, whatever you may have, they are cost in a bundle and there's a market for them. So for those who can't afford, the actual other brands, as I said in the beginning, Rolex, Pateks, and all that other stuff, bro, there's markets for reps. There are people buying them and trading for them. So that should tell you something. You know what I mean? So you might want to hurry up and run over to Drip Talk and get one of these before he sells out for real and maybe double your profits. I'm just saying. You know what I mean? Get your hustle on as always. You know what I mean? And it's water resistant. You feel me? And they got 3 dials in the face with different colors. You know what I'm saying? Different colored dials. You know what I'm saying? And the stones in the face, that's a good touch, man. This watch is nice. I'm not going to lie. I personally like it. Like, I'm probably going to definitely wear it. You know what I mean? Like, wear it a lot. So, you know what I mean? Go get you one, man. Before the end of the video, if y'all stay to the end, I'm telling y'all right now, I'm going to show you how it looks on wrist. And I'm going to diamond test these stones right here. You feel me? Oh, and another thing I got to do, just because it is rumored, or it's a fact at this point, that it has the sapphire glass. I don't know if y'all know what that means, but all I'm going to say is this. When there's a sapphire glass, it speaks to the quality of the glass. It shouldn't be quick to break if you drop it. I'm not saying get into a fight or wrestle with your brother with it. I'm just saying that 9 times out of 10, in some hectic situations, this glass should not break. And if you know anything about sapphire, it's its own kind of gemstone type talk. You feel me? So it's rumored to remove the diamond tester and or pass it with the glass alone. So that also speaks to the quality of this watch as a whole. Sapphire glass instead of regular Gorilla Glass or something of that nature, man. He's definitely stepped up his game with this one, bro. Definitely stepped up his game with this one. I probably personally would have raised the price with all the quality on it. But hey, it's good for me as a consumer. Good for y'all as consumers. Y'all better hurry up and go get this watch, bro. I'm not playing. Either this one in particularly or the gold version with the other colors in the dials. You know what I mean? I like this thing, man. Y'all tell me what y'all like about this thing. Or if y'all like it at all, man. You got the logo on the face. This thing just feels like quality. You know what I'm saying? And for what it's worth, I truly believe you're getting more bang for your buck, in my opinion, man. Go shop Drip Talk Jewelry, man, and go see what he has over there. He got chains, pendants, all type of stuff at this point. Moissanite earrings. Go shop with your boy and go check him out. And before I forget, if you look in the description, if you use code GSG15, yes, GSG15 will get you 15% off. You know what I mean? That's my personal code. If y'all use that code, y'all will get yourself 15% off. Must I repeat? GSG15 will get you 15% off. And trust me, guys, it works. You feel me? Not much more I can say about this thing, man. 1, 2, 3, I'm out. At this point right here, man, what I got for y'all is an on the wrist look. So y'all can see how it looks on the wrist. To me, it looks pretty good and feels premium. You feel me? You heard. What I got here for y'all right now is the diamond test. We know these are CZs, so we don't expect them to pass. This is for entertainment purposes only. But speaking on the sapphire glass, if it moves the diamond tester and almost passes it, it speaks to it being real sapphire. Till I get that other diamond tester that talks. You feel me? But yeah, it's real sapphire glass. This proves it. And 1, 2, 3, I'm officially out.